Hello, good morning. My name is Nalsai Purvaj and my topic is today I am going to say my topic is the displacement current density. Definition of displacement current density. Before going on to the current density in the EMTL subject or electromagnetic field theory subject, we have to know what is current. What is current? The current is the electric charge passing through an area per unit is called as current. We can define current in the terms of mathematical form as I is equal to dq by dt, and this is the and because of this theory we will say the current flows in the rate of 1 coulomb per second, so we call it the 1 ampere. So it is the SI unit of the current is 1 ampere or amperes. Now let us if we introduce the current density, let us take current density or density of current in a unit area. Let's take it as J, and current flows through a plane or a surface as delta S or delta I. Then we will get from the before equation, which is the I is equal to dq by dt, we will get J is equal to delta I by delta S, or here the dq is Ti, or charge or density is J. Then the current flowing through the change, then the rate of current or delta I is equal to J delta S. This is something we have to know. Then this is the definition, this is the main definition of the displacement of current density. It is defined, the displacement of current density is defined in the Maxwell's equation. Here the displacement is where here the displacement has the same units as the current density, as it is the source of magnetic field just as an actual current. However, it is not the electric current of moving charges, but a time variant electric field in a physical matters, as opposed to the vacuum. There is also a contribution from the slight motion of charges bound in the electrons called as dielectric polarization. That is called as dielectric polarization. So this is the displacement. So this is the current density. D is equal to epsilon naught E by E plus P, where epsilon naught is the permittivity, E is the intensity of the electrons, and P is the dielectric potential or dielectric permittivity or dielectric polarization or medium of transfer. So this let us take an a surface. Let us take a cube on that. Let us take a cube, and if the potential is applied in this way, then the delta of surface is always in the normal position. The current density at a given point, at any point here, anywhere, the current will be equal to the normal of the unit area or the point. So this is the plane. Then we will say that if we take this as a vector, or if we take this as a plane, then we will get this equation. Jy is equal to delta I by delta S. That is the equation we will get. So where J is equal to rho v u, and F is the field charge. This is the force field charge applied, and then we will get the electric density is equal to, here the electric density equal to conductivity of an object into intensity of the electric field. So this is the electric current density formula. This is the most current density formula. In the conductors, let us take this as the conductor. If this is the conductor, then the conductivity is infinity, so the current density will also be infinity. If we take the dielectric material, if we take something as dielectric material, then the current density is always zero, so these are so, and the and because of this we'll also get the electric field is applied perfectly. So this is how. Thank you.